Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Snapseed on iPhone. If you love editing photos on your iPhone but want something more powerful, then this Snapseed is one of the best free photo editing app you can use. Snapseed is developed by Google and it gives you professional editing tools like color correction, healing tools, selective editing, filters and even advanced adjustment. And the best part is that it's completely free and very beginner friendly. And in this video I will show you how to download Snapseed, set it up and use every important tool step by step on iPhone. So by the end of this video you will know exactly how to edit your photos like a pro. So let's get started. So first what you can do is you need to download to your Snapseed on your iPhone. First open App Store and over here on the bottom there we can find this search bar. Tap on the search bar and type down Snapseed and search for it. Over here you need to look for the app developed by the Google, then tap on the get button just beside it and simply confirm using your Face ID, Touch ID or the Apple ID password and simply double click to install it. And after the installation finishes you can tap on the open beside it to launch the app. And now Snapseed is successfully installed on your iPhone. So when you open your Snapseed for the first time, the interface is very simple and clean. On the main screen, you will see a large plus icon on the bottom, a message that says tap anywhere to open a photo. And Snapseed works by editing photos that are already in your iPhone gallery. So to start editing, tap on the plus icon on the bottom and select continue. So over here, you'll get access to your photos or your album access over here. And you can simply select one of the photos or none of the photo that you want to put it to edit. And once you select a photo, it will open inside the Snapseed editor. What you can do is simply tap on the check mark in the top right. And over here, understanding the Snapseed interface. And before editing, let's understand this interface. At the bottom of the screen, you will see three main sections of your looks, faves, and tools. On this looks, this section contains portrait, smooth, pop, accentuate, faded, glow, morning bright, fine art, and these are the one tap filters similar to the Instagram presets. Simply tap any of the filter that you want to put it on your editing charm. And over here under these tools, we can find this is the most powerful section in the Snapseed. It includes professional editing tools such as turn, image, details, crop, rotate, healing, perspective, white balance, selective, brush, HDR, escape, and glamour glow. And we will go through the most important tools shortly. And over here, what you can find is on the top right corner, we can find this export icon as well. This section allows you to save or share your edited photo. Options include share, save a copy, and export. Once you tap over there, you'll find this save to original, save a copy, or simply export, or you can also share it. And using looks, the easiest way to edit a photo in Snapseed is using the looks tab. Tap on the looks over here and scroll the filters and tap any of the filter to apply it. For example, pop makes color stronger, and accentuate makes the color brightness and contrast, and portrait makes it soft skin tones, and faded glow gives you a vintage feel. And if you like a filter, simply keep it applied. If not, select another one. And using the tune image, the tune image tool is one of the most important tool in the Snapseed. And the tune image tool is one of the most important tools in the Snapseed. To use it, tap on the tools on the bottom right, and over here we can find this a lot of tools. Now swipe up or down on the screen to select the adjustments. You will see the option like brightness, details, curves, white balance, and after selecting option, swipe left or right to adjust the value as well. You can tap on the adjustment over here, and you can also select the values you want to lower the brightness or make it higher. Simply swipe left if you want the brightness to be lower side, or swipe right if you want the brightness to be in the higher side as well. And simply tap on the brightness and you'll find this contrast, saturations, ambience, highlights, shadows, and warmth. And after selecting an option, what you can do is you can also increase the contrast to make the colors more dramatic. By tapping on the contrast, you can also increase the saturation to make colors stronger, adjust to the highlights to reduce bright areas, adjust shadows to recover dark areas, and these adjustments help improve the overall quality of your photo as well. And using the crop tool, so simply go back and over here you'll find to this crop over here just below the retouch and transform. You can tap on the crop and now you'll see a different crop ratios. You're free, and you can simply slide to this edges of your screen to make your photos cropped, and you can drag the corners to crop the photo, and once done, tap on the check mark to apply it on the bottom right. And you can also use the healing tool over here beside the brush. The healing tool is useful for removing unwanted objects, for example the pimples, dust spots, small object in the background. Once tapping on the healing over here, you can simply select on the screen what you want to remove it from, and simply zoom in the photo, tap on the brush, or you can simply swipe on the photo in order to use the healing tool correctly, and Snapseed will automatically remove it and blend the area. This tool is great for the quick photo cleanup. And using the details tool help improve the image sharpness. In the top you can find this detail just beside the adjustment here, and you'll see the two options, structure or the sharpening on the bottom. Tap on the structure here, you can find these two options. The structure increases to add the texture and the clarity, and the sharpening increases to make the photo look more crisp, and but avoid increasing too much because it may look unnatural. And once you tap on this selective editing here, this is one of the powerful feature in the Snapseed, which is selective editing. It allows you to edit specific parts of the image only, and you can also adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, structure. This is useful when you want to brighten a face or just adjust only the part of the image. And over here just beside the selective, you can also find the brush icon here. This brush tool allows manual editing on the specific area. Once you tap on the brush here, you can select the dodge, burn, exposure, temperature and the saturation here and simply paint over the areas where you want the effect applied. This tool gives more control over your editing as well. And the next thing is adding text to the photos. On the bottom we can find this text just beside the frames. Once you tap on the text over here, Snapseed allows you to let you add text to your images. You can also choose the font of the text and you can simply type it over here. Simply double tap to open a text box and simply type what you want to type it and select OK beside it. And over here you can simply move it and resize it. What you can do is simply tap on the text and move it on the area of your photo. And you can also change the color and the opacity of the text. And the Snapseed allows you to see all the edits applied to your photo. What you can do is in the top right we can find this edit faves. Tap on the edit faves over here and here you can modify the edits, delete edits. You can find what applied on your photo, what of the edits applied on the photo and adjust earlier changes, and this makes Snapseed very flexible for the editing. And once you finish editing, you can simply go back on the editing timeline over here and tap on the download icon in the top right corner. Over here you can find the save to original, save copy and the export. For most users, what you can do is you can save a copy is the best option. To share, you can tap on the share and send the photo to the social media or the app save, and you can also save the edited version while keeping the editing data, and you can also save it and you can simply export it. You can simply save to original, which is the image as the finished file. And here are some quick tips. You can start with the tune image before applying filters, avoid over editing photos, use selective editing for the professional results, and use healing tool to remove the distractions. Use detail tool to sharp image carefully. And again, if you want to go to the settings icon in the top right corner, we can find this three dot icon of the Snapseed over there. And over here you need to select to the setting, and under the setting we can find this appearance. In the top, the appearance option control the visual theme of the Snapseed interface, and this setting allows you to switch between the different interfaces styles so the editing screen looks comfortable for your eyes. For example, you may see options like dark theme, light appearance. Tap on the appearance over here and you can find to this devices theme default, or you can simply select to this light theme or the dark theme as per the preferences as well, and it will automatically set to the preferred theme. And the next thing is to reduce haptics. The haptics option controls the vibration feedback while using the Snapseed. When this feature is enabled, your iPhone will give a small vibration when adjusting sliders, applying edits, interacting with the tools. If you want this option, you can simply toggle it on. But if you do not prefer, so toggle it off. And this tactile feedback helps some users feel more precise when editing, and if you prefer a completely silent editing experience, you can turn it off anytime. And under the slow touches setting improves editing accuracy, and when this feature is enabled, Snapseed slows down the slider adjustment when you move your finger on the screen, and this helps when you want to make very precise adjustments such as fine, brightness, contrast and color. These simple steps can dramatically improve your photos, so that's how you can download, install and use Snapseed on your iPhone to edit photos professionally. From quick filters to powerful tools like tune image, healing, selective editing and brushes, Snapseed gives you everything you need to create amazing photos edits directly on your phone. And since it's completely free, it's one of the best photo editing apps available today. And now try editing your own photo and experiment with different tools. With a little practice and you'll be able to create stunning edits in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to use Snapseed on your iPhone. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.